The blank page problem kills more content creators than anything else. Not lack of talent. Not poor video quality. Not bad thumbnails. The simple inability to consistently come up with ideas worth creating, day after day, week after week, without running dry. I used to struggle with this. I would sit down to plan content and spend an hour producing 3 mediocre ideas that I was not even excited about. Now I sit down with Claude and produce 30 solid ideas in under 20 minutes. Ideas I am genuinely excited to create. Ideas my audience actually wants. Today I am sharing the exact system. Every step. Every prompt. Every method I use to ensure I never stare at a blank page again. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Why most creators run out of ideas before the system. The problem. Most creators generate ideas the same way. They sit down, think about what they know, and try to come up with something interesting. This approach has a fundamental flaw. It starts from the inside out, from what the creator knows rather than from what the audience wants. The creators who never run out of ideas do the opposite. They start from the outside in. They look at what their audience is searching for, asking about, and engaging with, and then they create content that meets that demand rather than hoping their personal interests align with audience needs. AI makes the outside-in approach dramatically faster and more systematic than any manual research process. Layer 1, the audience question mine. The first layer of my content idea system is what I call the audience question mine. Open Claude and describe your content niche and your target audience in detail. Then ask Claude to generate the 50 most common questions someone in your target audience asks when they are at the beginning of their journey with your topic. Then ask for the 50 questions they ask when they are at an intermediate level. Then ask for the 50 questions they ask when they are advanced and trying to go deeper. 150 questions. Each one a potential video, post, or article. Each one representing something a real person in your audience genuinely wants to know. Review the list and mark every question that you are genuinely qualified and excited to answer. That marked list is your content bank. You will never need to start from zero again because this bank refills every time audience needs evolve. Layer 2, the trend intersection method. The second layer finds ideas that are both timely and relevant to your niche. Research what is currently trending in your niche using an AI search tool. What new tools, techniques, or ideas are generating discussion? What changes are people trying to understand? Then bring those trends into Claude and ask it to identify the intersection between each trend and your specific content niche. How does this trend affect your audience? Timely content attracts new viewers. What angle is most useful and most underrepresented in existing content? Relevant content retains existing ones. Ideas from the intersection do both simultaneously. Layer 3, the comment mining system. The third layer is the most powerful and the most overlooked. Your existing content, and competitor content, contains the most valuable idea generation resource available. The comments section. Once per month, spend 20 minutes reading comments on your 10 most popular pieces and 10 competitor pieces. Paste the most interesting questions and comments into Claude and ask it to identify the most common themes, most emotionally charged questions, and most underserved topics. Claude produces a prioritized idea list directly from your audience's own words. These ideas convert best because they come from what real viewers in your niche are actively requesting. Layer 4, the evergreen angle generator. The fourth layer takes your best existing ideas and multiplies them. For any topic you have already covered, ask Claude to generate 10 different angles, formats, or audience segments that would make the same core topic feel completely fresh. A video about using AI for productivity becomes a video about using AI for productivity specifically for students. then for parents, then for freelancers, then for people with ADHD, then as a beginner guide, then as an advanced deep dive, then as a myth-busting piece, then as a personal experiment story. One core topic. 10 fresh videos. All genuinely different from each other because they serve different viewers or approach the idea from a completely new direction. This method is particularly powerful for channels with an existing library. Your best content becomes a seed that multiplies rather than a finished piece that ages. Building your monthly idea session once per month. Spend 90 minutes running through all 4 layers with Claude. Refresh your audience question mine with any new questions that have emerged. Run the trend intersection method on whatever is current in your niche. Mine the comments from the previous month. Run the evergreen angle generator on your 3 most popular recent pieces. At the end of 90 minutes you will have more ideas than you can create in the following month. Organized by priority. Ready to be scripted whenever you sit down to create. The blank page never appears again because the idea session fills the pipeline before it can empty. Your action plan starting today. Open Claude today and run layer 1, the audience question mine, for your niche. Set a 90-minute idea session in your calendar for the first Monday of next month. Fill the pipeline once. Create from it all month. What is the biggest content idea challenge you face right now? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a system for endless content ideas, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.